Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Let's sing together. Stand up, stand up. Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you? How are you today? I'm good, I'm fine, I'm good, I'm great, I'm good, I'm fine, I'm very well today. Once again, hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you? How are you today? I'm good, I'm fine, I'm good, I'm great, I'm good,
I'm fine.
I'm very well today. Give applause for us. Thank you. Nah, today we will learn about my hobby. Learn about apa anak-anak? My hobby. Coba sebutkan apa? My
hobby.
Good, my hobby. What is hobby? What is hobby? What is hobby? Hobby is your interest, kesenanganmu. Setiap hari kamu lakukan, setiap kamu lagi bosan kamu lakukan, itu adalah hobby. That's your hobby. Nah, there are many example of hobby. Do you know balonku song? Yes, let's sing together. Ready? Berenang itu swimming, menari itu dancing, menggambar itu drawing, membaca itu reading, memasak itu cooking, hey, menyanyi itu singing, bersepeda itu cycling. That example of hobby. Oke, berarti boleh duduk, sit down. Berarti there are many example of hobby. Oke, there are many example of hobby. Nah, Butika have some picture. Nah, Butika have some pictures. Yes, this is flashcard. This is kartu yang berisi tentang gambar-gambar. Gambar-gambarnya is about hobby. Gambar-gambarnya is about hobby. Nah, yang pertama anak-anak. Hobby, berenang itu swimming. My hobby is swimming. Repeat after me. My hobby is swimming.
My hobby is swimming.
My hobby is dancing.
My hobby is dancing.
My hobby is drawing.
My hobby is drawing.
My hobby is reading.
My hobby is reading.
My hobby is cooking.
My hobby is cooking.
My hobby is singing.
My hobby is singing.
My hobby is cycling.
My hobby is cycling.
Nah, begitu caranya kalau kamu mau mengungkapkan ini loh hobiku. Nah, oh, hobiku is swimming. My hobby is swimming. My hobby is dancing. Another hobby is my hobby is fishing. What is fishing? Fishing apa? Memancing. Good. My hobby is what ya? My hobby is running. What is running? Lari, berlari. My hobby is writing, menulis. Betul, my hobby is writing. Writing a story, writing a novel, atau writing is short story. Nah, that is example of hobby. Nah, now we will see anak-anak. We will see hobby in bahasa Inggris. Butika have one video. Anak-anak perhatikan ya. Anak-anak perhatikan videonya. Nanti kita akan belajar bersama-sama. Perhatikan dulu videonya. Wait for a moment. Is being processing.
Hai, nama Kece. How are you? Kamu pasti punya hobi kan? Bolehkah kamu apa sih hobimu? What is your hobby? Barusan kakak dengar ada tuh yang jawab makan dan tidur. Makan dan tidur bukan hobi ya, karena kita semua butuh eating and sleeping untuk bisa tetap hidup. Wah, kalau gitu apa ya hobi itu? Dalam bahasa Inggris, hobi disebut sama, tapi ditulis beda. H-O-W-B-Y. Hobby is a pleasurable activity that people do to treat their leisure. Hobi adalah kegiatan yang menyenangkan yang dilakukan di saat luang. Studying and working are hobbies. Sekolah dan bekerja tidak termasuk hobi. It is something you do that is not your usual daily activities. Jadi ingat, hobi bukan kegiatan rutin yang kamu lakukan sehari-hari. Oke? Can I have you types of hobby in English? Reading, membaca. We can read webtoons, novels, or encyclopedia. Kita bisa membaca webtoon, novel, atau ensiklopedia. Reading helps us learn new words. Membaca membantu kita belajar kata-kata baru. When we read, we can imagine how people in other places live. Ketika kita membaca, kita bisa membayangkan kehidupan orang-orang yang tinggal di tempat lain. Cooking, memasak. We can start with simple food, such as scrambled eggs and sandwich. Kita bisa memulai dengan yang mudah dulu, seperti telur orak-arik dan roti lapis. Cooking helps us think and plan better. Memasak membantu kita berpikir dan berencana dengan baik. We have to follow instructions to cook. Kita perlu mengikuti instruksi ketika memasak. Drawing, menggambar. Drawing is fun. Menggambar itu menyenangkan. We can draw our family, our home, robots, dinosaurs, natures, or our favorite anime characters. Kita bisa menggambar keluarga kita, rumah kita, robot, dinosaurus, alam, atau karakter anime favorit kita. Drawing makes us more creative. Menggambar membuat kita lebih kreatif. Collecting items, mengoleksi benda. Some people collect things they like. Ada orang yang mengoleksi benda yang mereka suka. You can collect stamps, coins, or Pokemon cards. Kita bisa mengoleksi perangko, koin, atau kartu Pokemon. Collecting stamps is called philately. Mengoleksi perangko disebut philately. We feel proud when we collect rare items. Kita merasa bangga kalau kita berhasil mengoleksi barang-barang langka. Piano. Piano is one of the most popular music instruments in the world. Piano adalah salah satu alat musik terpopuler di dunia. We learn to focus more when we play the piano. Kita belajar untuk lebih fokus ketika memainkan piano. Yang barusan kita bahas adalah hobi hobi yang bisa dilakukan dalam ruangan atau indoor hobbies ya, kece. Ada juga nih kegiatan yang dilakukan di luar ruangan atau outdoor hobbies. Fishing atau mancing. We can go fishing in a pond, lake, river, or even sea. Kita bisa mancing di kolam, danau, sungai, bahkan laut. We can cook the fish we caught. Kita bisa masak ikan yang kita tangkap. We learn to be patient when we go fishing. Kita belajar bersabar ketika kita memancing. Cycling, bersepeda.
Nah, siapa tadi yang hobinya cycling? Bersepeda.
Bersepeda di taman atau sekitar rumah. It's fun to cycle with our family or friends. Bersepeda dengan keluarga atau teman itu menyenangkan. Cycling is healthy exercise. Bersepeda adalah olahraga yang menyehatkan. Gardening, berkebun. We can plant flowers, vegetables, and fruits in our garden. Kita bisa menanam bunga, sayur, atau buah di kebun kita. Gardening makes us happy and relaxed. Berkebun membuat kita senang dan relax. We can also learn a lot about plants. Kita juga bisa jadi belajar banyak tentang tanaman. Camping, berkemah. It is fun to go camping with family or friends. Pergi berkemah dengan keluarga atau teman itu menyenangkan. We can learn how to set up the tent and light a bonfire at night. Kita bisa belajar caranya mendirikan tenda dan menyalakan api unggun di malam hari. The hot chocolate is so warm and yummy. Coklat panas ini sungguh hangat dan enak. Playing football, bermain sepak bola. We play football in a team of 11 players. Kita bermain sepak bola dalam tim yang berisikan 11 orang. Our team tries to score more goals than the other team. Tim kita berusaha untuk memasukkan lebih banyak gol dari tim lawan. We learn to kick the ball and work together to win the game. Kita belajar menendang bola dan bekerja sama untuk memenangkan pertandingan itu. Wah, sekarang kita jadi tahu beberapa jenis hobi dalam bahasa Inggris nih. Terus kalau kita ingin tahu hobi teman kita, gimana ya cara kita bertanya ke teman kita?
Nah, ini cara bertanya teman tentang hobi.
Hi May, what is your hobby? Hi May, apa?
Coba. What is your hobby? Ulangi. What is your hobby?
What is your hobby?
Artinya, apa hobi kamu? Ya. Kita gunakan kalimat ini untuk kita bertanya kepada teman. Asking your friend, what your friend's hobby? What is your hobby? Next.
Apa hobi kamu? My hobby is painting.
Your friend is answer, my hobby is painting. Repeat. Repeat, my hobby is painting. Louder please, lebih keras lagi. My hobby is painting. Nah, berarti kalimat yang digunakan untuk bertanya hobi adalah what is your hobby? Repeat me again.
What is your hobby?
Nah, the answer is my hobby is painting misalnya, atau the other hobbies do you like? Okay? Next.
Hobiku melukis. Me too. Aku juga. Dan dari dialog barusan kita jadi tahu hobi May. May punya hobi apa nih? Ya, painting atau melukis. Tapi ternyata Via juga hobi melukis. Kalau kita punya teman dengan dengan hobi yang sama, kita bisa melakukan hobi itu bersama-sama. Hobi kita jadi makin asyik kalau bareng teman. Sekarang di sini ada 3 hobi dan bermain gitar. Coba teman kece sebutkan bahasa Inggrisnya masing-masing hobi ini ya.
Now let's try to mention the hobby on the picture, on the video. The first, louder please. Dancing, okay, good. Second, singing, good, very good. And the last, what? Who can tell me what his hobby?
Playing guitar.
Good, Filsa. Beri aplaus untuk Filsa. Beri aplaus, tepuk tangan untuk Filsa. The last hobby is playing guitar. Repeat again, playing guitar. Good, next.
Tuliskan jawabanmu di kolom komentar. Jangan lupa like, comment, dan subscribe serta bagikan video ini ke
Nah, based our video yang sudah kita lihat tadi, ternyata we have many hobbies. Betul? Right? That's right. We have many hobbies. Ada hobi di dalam ruangan, ada hobi di luar ruangan. And then the hobby is have manfaat, very useful for us. Contohnya tadi drawing, make us more creative. Cycling, make us apa? Cycling bikin kita apa? Sehat, healthy. Terus apalagi tadi? Masak, ya kan? Masak making kita kreatif juga. Nah, seperti itu. Jadi, hobi itu banyak sekali manfaatnya. Nah, berdasarkan video tadi, based on our video, try to mention what hobby do you see? Sebutkan beberapa hobi yang bisa kalian sebutkan, yang bisa kalian lihat dalam video tadi. Yuk, boleh angkat tangan atau apa tadi yang kamu lihat, ada hobi apa saja di video tadi? Fishing, oke. Reading. Hah? Dancing, oke. What's up? Cooking, cycling, painting, playing football, singing. What else? What else? Any other? Ada yang lain lagi nggak? Swimming, oke. Lagi. Based on your video tadi, yang sudah kita lihat bersama tadi, ada video apa lagi? Drawing, cycling, yang di dalam ruangan pakai alat musik. What is playing piano? Good. There are many hobby, entah itu yang di dalam ruangan atau di luar ruangan. Dan ternyata hobi itu very useful, sangat bermanfaat untuk kita, bikin kita jadi more kreatif, more healthy. Terus juga kita belajar bekerja sama, seperti playing football, ya kan? One team, one goal, ya kan? Satu tujuan untuk meraih kemenangan. Playing football, ya kan? Football kan nggak bisa sendiri, harus bersama-sama, ya kan? Nah, ternyata dengan bermain, dengan hobi kita juga bisa melatih berbagai kemampuan kita. Nah, anak-anak, now make group of 4 or 5, yes. Group 1, group 2, and group 3. Group 1, group 2, and group 3. Your activity is act your hobby without voice. Peragakan hobimu tanpa suara. Yes, peragakan hobimu tanpa suara. And then the other student is guess what your friend's hobby. Menebak apa sih hobi temanmu itu yang sedang diperagakan, ya? Without voice, oke? Okay? Without voice. Sekarang thinking dulu. Anak-anak berpikir, what is your hobby? in your heart, dalam hati saja. Dalam hati apa ya hobi? What is my hobby? You're thinking. What is your very like? Yang kalian sukai apa? Kalian pikirkan. Dan, have done? Sudah? 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 Sekarang kamu di dalam kelompok on your group. Nah, masing-masing each student act your hobby without voice. Peragakan hobimu tanpa suara. Jadi nanti one by one berdiri di depan sini, di depan meja grupmu, oke? Sambil act your hobby. Misal, Butika di sini ya. Butika is a member of group 2, anggota kelompok grup 2 contohnya. Saatnya Butika memperagakan without voice, oke? Without voice. And then the other of you is guess what is my hobby? Apa? Louder please. Yang lebih keras lagi? Cooking. That's right, cooking. Do you understand? Mudah? Paham? Paham? Yes. Okay. Now act with your group. One by one, maju ke depan bersama grupnya. Yuk. Siapa dulu yang mau di grup 3 siapa? Grup 2 siapa? Grup 1 siapa? Silahkan. Tapi dalam grup saja, tidak usah bersama dalam kelas. Cukup on your group, oke? Okay? Let's go. Let's go. Who is first? Oke. Okay. Cukup peragakan on your group, yes? Ya. The other member of group is memperhatikan ke temannya. Yuk. Langsung tebak. Boleh angkat tangan, tebak. Singing, that's right. Fishing, that's right. Yes. Yo, bergantian. Grup itu belum tertebak. What is Zahra hobby? Let's go again. Yo, grup tuh belum tertebak apa? Painting. That's right. Ya, bergantian. Yang lain sampai semua anggota grup maju dan bisa tertebak. Apa? Coba peragakan. Apa? That's right. Oke. Ya, bergantian. Have done? Group 1? Oke. Group 3? Oke, tinggal grup 2 yang belum selesai. Apa? Fishing. Yes, that's right. The last, Risti. What is your hobby? Cycling, bersepeda. That's right. Give applause for us. Okay. And then, Butika have sorry. Nah, and then we will say our hobby. Butika will ask one of you, what is your hobby? With the song Balonku. Ready? For example. What is your hobby, my friend? Nah, yang Butika tunjuk menjawab. My hobby is, misalkan Butika ya, my hobby is cooking. I like cooking very much. And then you choose your friend. What is your hobby, my friend? Nah, muter seperti itu ya. Siap? Siap anak-anak? Siap. Dari Butika ya. Jadi nanti anak-anak boleh random, boleh secara acak menunjuk temanmu itu, oke? Nanti yang ditunjuk pegang di clip on, oke? Kita ulangi dulu bersama-sama. What is your hobby, my friend? Yeah, 1, 2, 3. What is your hobby, my friend? My hobby is swimming. I like swimming very much. What is your hobby, my friend? And then give the clip on the mic in your friend, your other friend. Ready? Ketika belum dengar suaranya. Are you ready? Ready. Oke. One, two. Siap-siap ya. Jadi nanti anak-anak boleh jalan keliling. Jalan keliling milih temanmu siapa. Yang ditunjuk harus ready. Yang ditunjuk harus siap. Siap. Oke. What is your hobby, my friend?
Jangling.
My hobby? Pakai lagu dong.
My hobby is cycling.
I like
cycling very much.
And then you ask your friend. Boleh acak siapa yang mau ditunjuk Radit, oke? Boleh acak, nanti mau tunjuk siapa? Siapa? Jian. What is your hobby, my friend? Yang lain siap, oke? Yuk.
My hobby is cooking. I like cooking very much.
Boleh jalan. What is your, sambil ngomong ya.
What is your hobby, my friend?
Ayo sebut. What is your hobby, my friend?
What is your
Langsung jawab aja. My
hobby?
hobby is.
My hobby is swimming.
I like
Swimming.
very much.
I like swimming very much. What is your hobby, my friend?
Choose one. Nah, sama-sama. What is your hobby, my friend? Okay? What is your hobby, my friend? My hobby
My hobby is singing.
singing. I
I like singing very much.
And then you choose the other friend. Sambil bilang, what is your hobby, my friend?
What is your hobby, my friend?
Ya, sama-sama. What is your hobby, my friend? My hobby is
My hobby is painting. I like painting very much.
You choose again. The other student. What is sambil ngomong?
What is your hobby, my friend?
Nah, together. What is your hobby, my friend?
My hobby reading is reading. I like reading very much. What is
You choose one your friend of you? One of your friend. Sambil ngomong, what is
your hobby, my friend?
Bersama-sama. What is your hobby, my friend?
My hobby is
Cycling. Oh, bersepeda, oke? I like
cycling very much.
You choose. One friend. What is your hobby, my friend? Again. What is your hobby, my friend?
My hobby
is
is cycling.
cycling.
I like cycling very much.
And then you choose. Yang belum siapa? What is your hobby? Sambil ngomong dulu.
What is your hobby, my friend?
Again, together. What is your hobby, my friend?
My hobby is fishing.
Fishing.
I like fishing very
much. You
much.
choose. What Yes. Together. What is your hobby, my friend?
My hobby is fishing.
Fishing, okay.
I like fishing very much.
You choose. Yang belum siapa? Sambil ngomong.
What is your hobby, my friend?
Okay. Together. What is your hobby, my friend?
My hobby is fishing. I like fishing very much. What is your hobby, my friend?
Yes, sama-sama. What is your hobby, my friend?
My hobby is fishing. I like fishing very much.
Itu yang belum.
What your hobby, my friend?
Sambil ngomong.
What your hobby, my friend?
Okay, together. What is your hobby, my friend?
Like food.
My hobby
My
is
hobby
playing
is
football. Okay, I like football very much. Sama-sama. What is your hobby, my friend? Give applause for us. Nah, we have learned about our hobby. Yes. We have learned about our hobby, the useful of hobby. And then this is your task. Do your task on the paper. Draw your picture, draw your hobby on the box, and then write, my hobby is titik-titik. Understand? Okay. Write your hobby is and draw your hobby on the box. 5 menit, 5 menit cukup? Cukup ya? Oke. Yes, that's all. Kalau Azam sukanya playing football. You can draw the ball. Suka do you? And when you like cooking, you can draw the pan, the frying pan, okay? If your hobby is singing, you can draw the mic. Fishing, okay, you can draw the fish, or you can draw yourself when you're fishing. Reading, you can draw the book, okay. Don't forget to write your hobby in the box di bawahnya. Below. Have done? Have you write? My hobby is just not fishing, just not playing football, just not reading, but must be complete. My hobby is titik. Nah, menulisnya harus lengkap. My hobby is titik. My hobby is fishing. My hobby is what? Reading. Okay? Are you have done? Sudah selesai? Do you have done? Yes? Kumpulkan ke depan sini yang sudah selesai. Okay, thank you. My hobby is fishing. Yes. Ayo. Okay, thank you. Tadi udah selesai, Riz. Kenapa dihapus? Do you have done? Nah, just write your hobby in there. Okay. Radit and Risti is belum selesai. Oh, Radit sudah. Oke, thank you Radit. Risti? Nah, write your hobby there. My hobby is what is your hobby? Cycling. My hobby is, yes. Cycling. Yes, we have done, anak-anak. For this meet, we learn about hobby. Yes. Dan ternyata hobi itu tidak sekedar kesenangan, tidak hanya what do you like, tapi juga sangat bermanfaat untuk kalian semuanya. Contohnya tadi. Nah, sekarang saatnya kita pulang. Goodbye song, stand up please. Goodbye on the happy day. Goodbye on the happy day. Smiling when you say goodbye, laughing when you say goodbye. Goodbye on the happy day. Once again. Goodbye on the happy day. Smile. Goodbye on the happy day. Smiling when you say goodbye, laughing when you say goodbye. Goodbye on the happy day. Okay, give up for us. Thank you for your attention, and you can go outside for the break time.